Hey my DIYers, so let's get into it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Take a deep breath. Drink some water and let's go. Okay, we got the Freetress French curl braid. In this video, I'm going to show you two methods. You just add the hair in. And you pull out the pieces. Use a rubber band to tie it off and make it secure. Lock check. Almost a year in November. And I'm feeling it because my parts, yeah, it just makes life easier. Okay, so here is a slower view of what I did for method one. So you take the hair, put some edge control, lock holding gel, whatever you use, wrap it around, and start braiding. You're going to want to go ahead and add some hair in to make it a little more thicker, and pull out however many pieces you want, depending on how full you want it. I just did 2. Add a piece, and pull out however many pieces you want. This is my first time using this hair. At first it was a bit tricky because it was a little more silky. I'm not used to the texture, but after a couple braids I got the hang of it. And I decided to go around my perimeter first because I already knew that this is going to take me a while. I started on Thursday, finished on Saturday. If I needed to put my hair up, I was able to do that with leaving the middle out. So method number 2, I decided to just use more hair and just pull out as I needed. And you're just gonna braid and repeat. And we got one more left. Yay! And we are done. Thank you. Just take in the length, how beautiful this hair is before I cut it. And boom, on point, hair on point. And that's just like what this bob makes you want to do, just flip your head from side to side. I'm telling you, I'm loving this. I was actually nervous that it wasn't going to blend with my locks, but I did that. Pat on the back for me. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know how yours turns out, and like and subscribe.